as part of the corporate solutions team, one of my biggest objectives is to utilize technology for the benefit of our real estate clients. We are very proud to offer Colliers 360 for our clients. This is a tool that allows them to track, analyze, and consume real estate data in a new and interactive way that will ultimately help drive the core business objectives. What differentiates Colliers 360 from the rest of the market is that it is highly customizable. A client does not need to customize or format their data platform, their real estate data platform, in order to use Colliers 360. Using this customizable approach, we ask our clients a few questions in the beginning. We ask them, what are they trying to achieve? What are their goals? What are their business objectives as a company? And using this information, we are able to create customized reporting dashboards for the clients. At the end of the day, the client has a say in what the end product is, and this creates a stake for them in the relationship and also deepens the relationship that we have with them. Colliers 360 is a very intuitive system to use, and it is very flexible. It is able to draw information from different data platforms. For example, it can take from a company's HR information, a company's real estate information, and their financial information, and put them all together into one environment and see how they interact with one another. So a company can see how changes in their financial situation will affect their HR and their real estate performance. And this ultimately will help them improve and drive their business objectives.